Mr. Dark. So I got Mr. Dark last year, but he's broken. And I'll go over that story while we're setting him up. So here we go. I'm gonna, well, no, I guess I'll just open it. First, we got a scissor mechanism. Amazing piece. I really wish they would have used that on other animatronics this year, but sadly they didn't. One part of his base. His adapter. This little cap. Sandbags. Receipt. Okay, I probably should throw that. That's gonna blow away. And instructions. I've set them up before. I don't need those. You may be wondering, where's his head? Where's the other part of the base with the mechanism? Well, that was not here. I gotta go get it. So, I'll be right back. His head, body, and arms. Base and old mechanism. And his new mechanism. Bubble wrap. And his new mechanism. Swaddled up just like a burrito, baby. Here's his new mechanism. It came all scrunched down for some reason. Not quite sure why, but it did. Might make his setup a little harder, but without further ado, let's switch out the mechanisms. You probably can't see this, but, well, now you can. I'm standing. I think I might need a wrench. Very tight on there. I'll be right back. Here's my wrench. It might be a little too small, a little too big. If it is, I'll change it out. I'm just starting to wonder what I'm gonna do with the old mechanism. Ooh. Oh, hold on. It is a bit too small. I'll have to go grab a bigger one. Got my new wrench. Hopefully this one works. Then I'll have to test out and see, because this was the last one in order. Oh God, no. Please work. Come on, stop spinning and let me put this on there. Uh-oh. Nope. Doesn't fit. Well, that's not good. So this one has one size on each end. Hopefully at least one of them will work. That one's too big, and this one should be the perfect size. It looks like it is. It's in. There we go. Hold on. It fell out. I'm gonna do this down here. I think it'll be easier. Oh my God, my hands are so sweaty. It won't go. Come on. Turn. Turn. Come on, turn. Looks like I need another one of these to hold the other side. Finally. Yay. Here we go. Oh, it keeps falling out. I'll get it eventually. I'm just gonna cut this part out. I won't put you through this torture. I measured wrong. You've seen the sweat progress on him as a man, and he ain't doing too well. But I think I finally got the correct size. No, not again. I'm not doing this again. Not again. Don't do this to me. No, that side's way too big. No! Somebody help me. I'll spare you the misery. It's too small! I mean big. I hit my head on the door frame because I tried to jump down the stairs. People next door has turned on music. I think I'm progressively getting better. I hit my head with the ice pack too. How fun. This isn't scripted for anyone wondering. Oh God, this isn't scripted, no. I'm doing okay, but if you start to see an egg on my head, please tell me in the comments. I have these two, and I know for a fact they're exactly the same, and if they don't work, I've lost hope. Oh God. No. Please no. Wait, this is only 3/8 and that says 8/8. Wait, 8/8 is 1. That should work. Is this gonna work? Yeah, no. Who knew animatronics could be so complicated? Well, I think we need no, 4/8 of 1/2 of something. Wait, that should work. I'm sorry for everyone watching this that was hoping to see an exciting video. It's just been getting worse. Finally, I got it out. Oh God, no. I got it. It's covered in grass, but I got it. Is there an egg on my head? My hair's all messed up, but I'm not fixing it. It's all sweaty. Time to put the new one on. Yay. Finally, I'm done repairing him. Took a while. Took like 14 screwdrivers. You can tell how beat up I am. Like 14 different wrenches, some brain trauma, some sweat, like a rash, or whatever this is. I don't think that was there before. 2 ice packs. Oh my God. Well, now I can set him up. Alright, I really didn't think it would take that long. I thought it would take like just a couple minutes. But here goes nothing. I gotta pull his body out here. Oh no, thinking, I don't know why, Never Say Goodbye by Bon Jovi is stuck in my head. This side? Yeah, this side should be. Okay. Those pants get off of there. I'm like, I'm tugging on my pants. No, it's his base. There we go. Ah! Oh my god, that scared me. Just checking if you guys can see it. I think it goes like that. I'm not sure. I don't remember which way it goes, but we'll find out pretty soon. Yeah, it goes that way. Oh god, there's a bunch of dirt in there. Is it all gone? Yeah, it's gone. That's what I get for not setting them up out front. Whee! Oh, that's stuck there. Well, let me make sure it can go up smoothly and I don't need to get another one of these pieces. Okay, but first we need to... Well, actually, no, we gotta put this on. I wish I could really let that jump up first before I put it on so that you could, I wish I could, and I think I can, but I'm not gonna take any chances. Oh God, that's really not that easy to pull down and put on. Ooh, this is dangerous. There's enough room in the box to make it all the way up. I don't know why they just didn't leave it all the way up. There we go. Spring one. God. This is dangerous. Dangerous, I say, dangerous. Oh God. Ah. It's like not grease, but like dirt prints on the spring because I've been touching it. I don't know, it might need to do a little bit of retracting, but it might not be having to. It looks like it will have to retract a little. Okay, Mr. Darky. Oh God. Oh, I should probably plug the mechanism in. Is that the side? Yeah, I think that is. Come on. In. There we go. Woo, here we go. We have rare footage right here. Take your screenshots, folks. Bobby is Mr. Dark. I'm gonna trip over something. I can just tell now. Oh my God. I'm stuck inside of him. You probably didn't even hear what I said inside of there. I was saying rare footage, folks. Take your screenshots now. Bobby is Mr. Dark. La, 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 la. Come on, go in. Come on. Come on, Mr. Dark. Oh, up a little bit. Turn. You're a lot harder than I remember to put together, Mr. Dark. Okay, that looks scary. That looks terrifying. No offense, Mr. Dark. But your mess is scary. There's something over here that I need to like put in, I think. Or where I put the little cap in right there. And I know where I put it in. I think it's caught on something, but the cap is right here. It's been like dug into the ground. It's been there so long. It's been sitting there. Where's there it is. There we go. That needs to be like repainted. He needs weight. I remember last year I was the same height as him. Now I'm a bit taller than him. I'd say about 3 or 4 inches taller than him for me now. He's short. And I'm pretty sure he'll get shorter. He might retract. I'm not sure. I gotta fix the outfit. I could like staple this to like a hula hoop, like a huge hula hoop, and make it all spread out. Like sew it to it. But this is good for now. There's a Velcro strip here. Oh, that's for that. Oh, this wire needs to be plugged in. And I gotta grab the adapter and plug that in. Well, it took like 5 calls to Dr. Zombie, 14 wrenches, brain trauma, me laying on the ground like a lunatic, some weird scratch or scar or something that I did not know was there before. But I think he's ready. I think he might be ready. So I gotta go grab a couple extension cords to plug him in with. So, okay, I'll be right back. Got the cords, not sure. I might need a couple more though. Okay, so I realized that last time I had him set up, he was on foot pad. So I had to change him off of foot pad. And now, all I need to do is plug that wire in. So, here we go. Actually, I gotta turn his volume up. I just remembered that. It doesn't say which way's up and down, but I turned it all the way to the right, so hopefully it's all the way up and hopefully it's not all the way down. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. But it works. Our Mr. Dark used to be really fast, but he works. And I forgot to put weights on it, so he kind of weighs himself down. It's probably just because they sent the piece and it was in the down position. I'll just leave it in the up position. And hopefully he'll work. Usually goes down a little further than this. It probably will, but it sounded like the sounds were about to end. There we go. That's awesome. His sounds are all the way up, so set him off again. Hello, is your motion sensor broken? But he does jump still. You'd think if they remade the old one, the one from last year, they'd make it faster. But this is the 2021 model, 2022 mechanism, and he's going slower. So, yeah, this mechanism used to make him go, like, really fast. He doesn't go that fast anymore. But, right after he does this, I'm going to stop him in the up position, and then I'm going to go grab some weights and put on him. Yeah, I could see he bounced off the ground just a little bit. So, yeah, I got to grab the weights. Okay, I put a bunch of huge weights on him. Now let's test him out. Oh, his thumb caught on the creepy claw. Oh my god. Those weights are heavy. Here he goes. Oh, I just realized you can't see him in the camera frame. He's too big. It looks like he's an inflatable right now, but he's not. I promise you. Okay. And I put it directly under the mechanism. Yep. Nah, I didn't. I put it on the corners of the face. If he starts clicking, I gotta put him fast. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, he's got a big chunk of creepy cloth in his hand. You're looking at Mr. Dark. Go, Mr. Dark. A couple more. Oh, no, you're done. Go ahead, jump on up and do not grab that. I think his motion sensor might be broken. I'll just order like a motion sensor from Poison. I don't think his LEDs are broken because I could have swore I saw them working when I first activated him. But I'm not sure. Maybe I just didn't connect that wire right. Hold on, we'll get down in the down line. I'll check his eyes. I'm pretty sure they're broken. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that wire came unplugged. I'll check. Yeah, it came unplugged. Yeah, the wire came unplugged.
The Reaper comes in dark of
it came unplugged. Now, there's guys. I can see him. I doubt the video can pick him up, but yeah. Oh yeah, you can see one of the books that I put over here. Yeah, that print is huge. If I dropped that on my foot, I'd probably be in the hospital for days. Getting multiple different bones placed back together, and probably my toes would just be a big bag of bones. Get it? Get it? Bag of bones? No? Okay. Okay. Now let's make sure his motion sensor is working. There we go. I knew something wasn't right. Oh my god. My footprint's on his throat. That's so weird. Well, that's Mr. Dark for ya. I do recommend him though. I really do. Alright, see you later, everybody.
So, later on this happened. Then the hot glue gun broke. Then I used toothpicks to push the hot glue in. Luck was not on my side that day. It was not at all. Not on my side. But, hope you enjoyed me struggling in torture. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed that. Bye.
Okay. So, as you can see, that didn't work. My mom's a bad aim. Sorry, Mom. Yeah, if you're watching this, I'm sorry. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try to crack it first before I do it on my head. This is kind of scary. I'm gonna do it on the pavement over here. Entertainment. Here we go. I'll crack them all three if you want me to. I mean, you can't say yes or no. Ugh, it looks like snot. Come on, go. Drop. Oh my god, I'm scared. Ah! Rounds two! Rounds two! You're probably thinking, why am I subscribed to this man? Well, you're probably not. Okay. Oh my god, it's yellow. The yolk. Eggshells. Eggshells! No, eggshells. I think one of them landed on trees. Yep, round three. Round three. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh, it's so gross. Eggshells. That's all I have to say. Take your screenshots, make your memes. Look at all this egg. Take your screenshots now. Oh, there's still some in here. Oh. Why didn't you land on me? You land on me. Oh my god, there's a chicken! I think one of these might have actually been a double yolk. Because that first one had a lot. Stop! You probably clicked off by now. You think this guy's crazy. How am I gonna turn the video off? I'm gonna do it with my knuckle. It won't work.